Hey guys, so today we are going to do an experiment, which is putting an alcohol ink over a dried acrylic pour painting. I've been experimenting with creating different textures with gold leaf, or even using things like these, craft rocks to create some dimension in paintings before you putting a coat of resin over them. So I kind of want to see if this works, and so let's get to it. So I have this is just a little bit of rubbing alcohol in a cup, and then I just have a basic alcohol ink here. I'm using Bria Reese alcohol ink. So I'm just gonna put in a couple drops here. And we're just gonna stir that up a little bit here. So I saw somebody do this, and I've never tried to do this on a dried acrylic painting before, so we're gonna see what happens. So I diluted the ink with some alcohol ink, and then I just have a basic syringe that you would use to give medication to a child or something like that. And I'm gonna just put a little bit in here, and then we're gonna squirt it on. So we'll see what happens here. Now it's not very absorbent, and then they said to just put a little dab of alcohol ink on. So let's see what happens with that. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. Kind of blow it out a little bit. What I'm looking for is kind of a sand texture. And so far, it's not really working. But let's see what happens as it starts to kind of dry. All right, so that's creating a little more texture, just putting the straight alcohol ink on top of the painting. There we go. See right here how it's starting to separate a little bit? I know it's kind of hard to see, but that's exactly what I was going for, so that it would dry with sort of a sandy texture to it. Try again in a different spot. There we go. See how it's separating there at the top? Sort of gonna tilt it a little bit. See what, again, it's an experiment. I'm not really caring too much about composition here. I just want to see if I get any kind of texture happening with that alcohol ink drying. Ooh, that's kind of cool looking, huh? All right, so I think I'm just going to let it dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's dry. So here's a picture of what it looked like when it was dry, and as you can see, it makes it look a little bit like concrete, which I really love this effect. So I'm definitely going to be doing some more experiments with alcohol ink over acrylic paintings. Stay tuned for more experiments, and I'll see you next time.